Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get historical data from Yahoo Finance. First, navigate to the Yahoo Finance website and search for the specific stock or index you are interested in. Once on the Assets page, locate the Historical Data tab. This section offers a comprehensive view of past performance, including opening and closing prices, as well as trading volume. It's a powerful tool for market analysis. After clicking the Historical Data tab, you'll see options to customize your data view. You can specify a date range, from a few days to several decades, using the Calendar tool. Next, select the frequency of the data, choosing between daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. Once your preferences are set, click Apply to refresh the table with your chosen historical information. This allows for tailored analysis. To download the data, simply look for the Download button, usually located near the top right of the Historical Data table. Clicking this button will initiate a download of a CSV file directly to your computer. This file contains all the historical data you've selected, neatly organized. You can then open this CSV file using any spreadsheet program, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, for further analysis and charting. With your historical data downloaded, you can now perform in-depth analysis. Utilize spreadsheet functions to calculate moving averages, percentage changes, or other financial metrics. Creating charts, such as line graphs or candlestick charts, will help you visualize price movements and identify patterns over time. This data is invaluable for making informed investment decisions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.